Building REST APIs can be tedious, right? What if AI could generate them instantly? Introducing Workik AI. Integrate it seamlessly into your VS Code environment by installing the extension. Simply describe your API needs like, create a simple REST API with basic CRUD operations. Workik AI then rapidly scaffolds your entire project. You get clean, structured code ready to deploy, including all essential endpoints for your create, read, update, and delete operations. With a quick command, your API is live and running. Let's see it in action. Time to test our newly generated API using Postman. First, a GET request to our /users endpoint. As expected, it returns our initial data. Now, let's add a new user. A POST request with our data, and we receive a 201 created status. Refetching confirms our new user has been successfully added to the dataset. And finally, the delete operation. With a 200 OK, our entry is removed. A quick refetch verifies deletion. Build robust APIs faster than ever before. Try Workik AI for free today.